how you can hide and unhide Instagram notifications on your lock screen. Now what I mean by that is, as you know, Instagram sends notifications, and on your lock screen you'll be able to see the sender and the messages on your lock screen too. So to remove that and to hide those messages, what you'll need to do is just go to your settings, and after you're on your settings, just go to notifications. After you're there, just scroll down till you find Instagram. Now here's Instagram right here, and now what you'll need to do is just go down, and there you'll see lock screen appearance. Now under lock screen appearance, you'll see show previews. Tap on it. Now if your show previews is on always, your messages and your senders will get visible for everyone. If the show previews is on when unlocked, you'll be able to just use your phone, and when you're using your phone and your Face ID just verifies you, you'll be able to read the notification. If you keep it on never, your Instagram notification will get hidden. So that is how you do it, guys, and I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like down below. Also, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye, take care.